Sri Siddhaganga Public School Kodala. Today class is conducted by Sri Chandru T. Pujari, MSc Mathematics and MSc B.Ed. Class 10th subject Mathematics. Dear student, today I have discussed about some basic concept of mathematics. You know about only numbers and number pattern or patterns of numbers. Dear student, in the mathematics so many types of numbers are here. The number pattern, for example, you can take pattern of numbers. In the pattern of number so many types of patterns are here. Stage 1 and stage 2. Consider you can take any pattern. For example, 2, 5, 7, 1, 3. This is one pattern. And also in this side, first 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. This is also one pattern. In the second example, in the first stage first, stage 2, the next one is what? 3, 5, 8, minus 1, minus 2, etc. And also second example in your stage 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And also the third example, you can choose anyone, 8, 9, 10, again 8, etc. Third one also here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, fourth one also you can choose anyone. You are randomly 8, 9, 3, 4, 11, minus 1, etc. In this side also fourth example, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The next fifth example also you can take randomly 10, minus 11, 8, plus 1, etc. In fifth one also here, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. A sixth example is also here. This type, so many types of numbers are here. In this side is prime numbers. Prime number, you know about prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. In this side also here, you can take any one number. Even number also here, odd number also here, whole number, natural number also here. You can take any one types of numbers, are no problem. The next one also in the first stage, seventh one also here, that is composite numbers are here. Composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. Dear student, once again observe these all types of number pattern. The first pattern in the first stage, 2, 5, 7, 1, 3 is the. In the stage 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is the. In the stage 2, first one example is, that is even numbers are here, no? Even number. You can compare in these two series, first and first, comparing stage 1 and stage 2, comparing. What are the difference between these two pattern? Anybody? Check yourself once again. The pattern in this one is, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. In this one also, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Okay, what are the difference between these two pattern? The first term is 2, second term is 5. You can check yourself once again. The every number pattern you can take a difference. 5 minus 2 is 3 is the, that is 3. Next 7 minus 5 is 2 is the, that is 3, 2 is the. Next 1 minus 6, 7 is minus 6 is the, but 3 minus 2 is 2 is the. Okay, you can check yourself once again. The every number pattern you can take the difference. Check yourself once again, difference. 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3 is the, this is 2 is the, this is the minus 6 is the, this is 2 is the all difference is different is the all terms different is difference is different. But check yourself in stage 2, the first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 10 is there na. Check yourself difference. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2 is there na. Okay, in this pattern the difference is same is there, the difference is constant. In this again consider second example. First term is 3, second term is 2, 5, third one is 8, fourth one is minus 2, fifth one is minus 2 is there. Again check yourself difference. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3, minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9, minus 2 and minus 1 is only minus 1. Okay, again all difference is different is there, all difference are changed. But again you can consider second example in the stage 2. The number, these types of numbers are only natural numbers are here, the series of natural number. You can take again difference, check yourself difference. 2 minus 1 is only 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 1. Again the difference is constant, difference is constant is there. Again check yourself once again. Third one, third example, 8 is the, 9 is the, 8 is the, again dash dash dash. And also first term is 8, second term is 9, third term is 8 is there. Again check yourself difference. 9 minus 8 is only 1, 8 minus 9 is minus. Again difference is changing, difference is, again you can check in this side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is one of the whole number series. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. Again the constant is, difference is constant is the, again difference is constant. Next one, check out once again. Fourth example, 8, 9, 3, 4, minus 1. Again this pattern is, difference is changing is there, this difference is constant is there. Again this is also, this pattern is also wrong pattern, this is correct pattern is there. Again check out once again. This pattern is what? 1 1 1, only 1 series is there. This constant is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. This constant also, this is difference also constant is there na, that is same is there. And also these types of numbers are only the not systematic way pattern. This is systematic patterns are here, systematic patterns, not systematic patterns. And also prime number also not a systematic pattern number, because the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is there na. These all are not a systematic pattern, because the common difference is changing is there, common difference is different is there. And also composite number also not a systematic pattern, that is not a number pattern series. And also 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 is that this is also not a systematic pattern. Dear student, comparing the systematic number pattern and also non-systematic number pattern. In the systematic number pattern, the difference is the difference, that is constant is there na. The difference you can consider, only can consider D. Okay, these all terms are systematic number pattern. This number is called, we can consider, that is these all are progressions. For example, this is also one progression, 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 this also one progression. What is the definition of progressions? The progression is a list of numbers. A progression is list of numbers by adding the numbers by the precedingly, but not change the first term. That is progression. In the progression, there are three types of progressions are here. First one is arithmetic progression. First one is arithmetic or AP. Second one is geometrical progression, GP. And also harmonic progression, HP is there. Okay, dear student, arithmetic progression is called a list of number is adding to the preceding number, and also first number is fixed is there. These all types of numbers are called only arithmetic progressions are here. In the number pattern, there are two types of number patterns are here. One is finite and infinite. Infinite numbers. Finite numbers means finite number of elements. Infinite means infinite of numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 is a finite numbers. But another example, infinite means 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. This is infinite series. This is finite series. Okay. You can study about only AP. AP means arithmetic progressions. These all series are arithmetic progressions. Why this is arithmetic progression? Consider one example. Example 1. Check are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a AP. How that is AP? AP is common difference is same is there. Okay, that is first term is A. First term 1 is A. That is fixed. Second term 2 is A plus D is there. That is in the every arithmetic progression, that is difference is constant is there. You can add the difference, that is preceding number, that is difference, that is you can add first number to difference. Next third number is what? A plus D plus D. D plus D means what? A plus 2D. The next term fourth is equal to A plus 2D plus D is equal to A plus 3D. The next term fifth is equal to A plus 3D plus D is equal to A plus 4D is there na? Okay. Once again check over this example. A means that is constant, 2 is there na? This series difference is 2 is there. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2 is there na? You can add, that is difference. First number A is 2. Difference is 2, that is 4. The next again the terms 3. A is constant, that is 2. 2 is the 2 into D means what? D means 2 is the, that is 2 into 2. 4 plus 6 is the, again that is fourth number. A means what? Same as it is 2 plus 3 as it is constant. D means 2 is there, that is 2 3 the 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 is there. Again the last term is what? A is constant, 2 plus 4 into bracket of D means 2 is there, that is 2 4 is 8 and 10. Again the series is 2 4 6 8 10. 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, this example is on the based on arithmetic progressions. Dear student, today we are discuss about arithmetic progressions, new chapter in your 10th standard. Okay, your homework is what? Homework, you can check yourself some examples are AP. Okay.